Hey Transformers, welcome to day 4 of our 7-day Eliminate Stress Challenge. Today I want you to start doing audio meditation. Now, audio meditation helps a lot in terms of getting your mind, controlling your mind, getting it focused on thinking of something other than just being negative. So it helps you be more relaxed. It helps you calm down. Meditation is something that I recommend to a lot of people, but a lot of times people tell me that they don't continue doing meditation because it's so hard to do, and then they eventually give up. Now, audio meditation makes that a little easier, makes meditating a little easier, because the music which you can get, audio meditation, the audio part you can get from YouTube. You can get that, the music you can get that from Amazon, from Apple, so those kind of services. And what it does is the sound, the music, it sets the tone, it sets the mood, the atmosphere. It gets you more relaxed, so it prepares your mind to not be too hyper, not be thinking of too many things, right? Which we are so accustomed to, and that increases our stress level, the anxiety, and if it's negative thoughts, then they get depressed or they get sad. So the music sets the tone, sets the mood, and the audio will have instructions also on what do you actually do, what do you actually think. Because meditation is not what people are thinking is, oh, you know what, I'm gonna blank my mind. It's not that actually, because it's almost impossible to blank your mind, to not think of anything. Meditation is taking control of your mind, being able to focus on something that will be more relaxing for you, that will calm your body, that will not trigger all these heightened all these heightened sensations in the body, that be depressed or sad or anxious or scared or nervous. So meditation is about controlling your mind, and the audio part will tell you what to focus on, to think of their happier thoughts, to think of relaxing thoughts. That's why you've heard people say, think of a sunset, something that's that gives you joy. So that's the audio part. So when you do audio meditation, it's easier because it has instructions, so it's easier to actually do the meditation. All right, so I want you to look into those audios for the audio meditation, and I want you to start practicing them now, and let me know. I would love to know how you feel. Let me know in the comments below. All right, okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.